lastly, I just want to say, I have been married to this woman for last 40 years. And you will find a very happy anecdote. I was going towards Chandigarh, Ambala railway station se pehle. I just took a left turn. I was to go to Yamunanagar. I took a right turn and went to Chandigarh. Then I met her. After 3 days, we got married. Wow! And another thing which I want to tell about is about the children. My two sons, Arjun and Karan, they are, and I'm amazed. They are, one is a pilot, one is a Delhi High Court lawyer. They have had their own battles. They have had career-threatening situations, but they never compromise. Like I tell, I'm Jeevraj Mehta ka beta hu. They say मैं बलराज मेहता का बेटा हूँ. I am not going to compromise. So I am getting goosebumps now. But this is what I want to tell everybody. Kindly make sure that your children develop these leadership qualities, these positive things, and then you will see in front of your own eyes. Like I'll take one more minute, I'll just tell, my father was a police inspector. In 1935, he became a soldier in a Sipahi, and then he was a college student, DAV College, Lahore. He was in hostel, he was studying, his English was fantastic. And but he was very honest. So he never took any bribe, he never obliged anybody, and he never obliged any politician. उनको एक बार बताया गया कि आप जो है, he was in Rohtak. So Bansilal told him कि देवीलाल को arrest कर लो. So he said कि मैं देवीलाल को कैसे arrest कर लूँ? तो he said आप तुम थानेदार हो, जो मर्जी करो. So he said nothing doing. मेरे को बताओ इसके ऊपर क्या करना है, तब मैं करूँगा. And he was posted out. He was posted out with 24 hours notice. At that time, my elder sister's wedding was fixed. The cards had been distributed. Halwai bahar घर के आ चुका था. And he said nothing doing. I'm not going to do anything. He picked up the thing, put the thing in this thing. My mother and relatives were already there. सारे उठ के फरीदाबाद आए, किराए के मकान में रहे, शादी के डेट चेंज हुई, कार्ड दोबारा प्रिंट हुए, and then he got my sister married. So when he retired, he didn't have much money. My brother was a captain in the army, and he took some फंड से पैसे निकाले, कुछ इन्होंने कर करा के घर बनाया. सिंगल स्टोरी पक्का घर, गांव में पहला घर था 1972 में. तो लोग आते थे, वो कहते थे मेहता जी आपने चबारे नहीं बनाए. चबारे मतलब डबल स्टोरी बिल्डिंग. And he told, he said, मेरे जो बच्चे हैं ये मेरे चुबारे हैं. And all of us, we have done well because of those values. And our children are doing well because of those values. So these are practical benefits which I am telling you. Kindly look into this, think about it. I am sorry my speech has become longer, but then I wish some of you take some lesson. You are already well learned. But then if you pass on these things, if you ensure it in your own families, I am sure I would have done justice to what I have done. Thank you very much and Jai Hind.